Now I'm going to show you the unboxing of the BLK2GO. So just like Steve mentioned, it comes in what we call the mission bag. So inside of here, all the contents is here. Okay, so we have the BLK2GO in its main protective box. So once it comes to you, you can also just pack it in this. It has a handle, it sits down, and inside of here we also have all the batteries. So we have the BLK2GO. It has one battery already installed. It just clicks from the bottom and the battery can come out. So we also have a sensor here that you can select the button and the LEDs will tell you how much power is on this battery. So to reinstall the battery, you just simply put the end in and then click down in the back. Okay. So we also have two other batteries inside the case. So everything is here that you need to be able to successfully do your project. Also down here we have the Cradle. So the Cradle is a stand for the BLK2GO. So this is actually how we start the system up and end our collections. And then we also have the charger. So the charger allows 4 batteries to be charged. You have 3. All the cables are also in the bag. And to charge a battery, you just simply drop it in place and you can start your charging. And importantly, one of the other features inside the bag is a little business card that tells you about your BLK2GO. It gives you the serial number, the SSID, and the password. This allows you to set it up, but importantly is the QR code. The QR code is what we use with the BLK2GO Live app to make that connection to the scanner. So you can use iOS or Android as of last week. So we just announced the Android capabilities. So also, if for any reason this QR code is not in the box, the QR code can also be found under the battery just here and can be scanned also to make your connection. So let's connect. So first we're going to push the power button. It's just on the back of the scanner here, just a single press, and we're going to get the flashing light. Okay, so once this turns solid green, we're ready to make our connection. So today I'll be using the Android platform to make the connection. So if you've never connected to the BLK2GO, we have a icon here in the app. It says new BLK2GO, and when you select that, it'll ask for access to your camera, and at that point you scan the QR code and it automatically puts all the Wi-Fi settings into your phone. Okay, so for myself, I've already connected this device, and this is how you would do it in each scan to follow after your first setup. Is you simply select that, tell it to connect, and it'll take it 10 to 15 seconds usually to find that connection and make it successful. Once it's successful, it gives you a link in the center and allows you to know that you've connected. It'll also show you all of your scans and give you some different types of project management type capabilities inside of here. But once this is here, you're ready to start scanning. So we simply select the power button with a single push, and now we're getting the flashing light. So that means it's actually going to start powering up the scanner and start collecting data. So we are going to leave it in this base and kind of hold it firmly for around 10 seconds for it to initialize. And once we start seeing data on the screen of our phone, we can actually start collecting our data. Okay, so we can see the data here. So I can simply pick up on the device and start walking. So once we come back to finish the scan, we simply set it back down in the Cradle, then sit there for a few seconds, and then we hold down the power button for 3 seconds till we see the flashing, and that powers down the scanner and ends your scan. And that is how we set up the BLK2GO for Demo in a Box, and your sales representative can answer any questions that you have about best workflows, tips and tricks, and all those type of things to make sure you're successful with this program. Thank you.